Hi everyone! So in this video I'm going to show you how to use conversion graphs. Once I've gone through this question, you've got a few questions that I want you to have a go at. So, and hopefully this video will help you to understand what you need to do on each question. So we're going to be we're looking, this conversion graph is for UK pounds and Polish zlotys. Okay, so the first question asks us to change £20 into Polish zlotys. So what I do is I read across the bottom here, because that's our pounds, and I read across to 20, which is here. I'm going to read up the graph. You can use a ruler if it helps you. And then all I do is read across to here, which tells me that £20 is 100 Polish zlotys. So I'm just going to write 100 by here. So the next one is change £90 into Polish zloty. So I do the same thing. I go from 90, I read up, it goes to there, and if I read all the way across, I get to 450. Okay, the next one is doing it the other way round. So I'm going to change 300 zloty into UK pounds. So this time I'm going to start on the Polish zloty side. Okay, so I go from 300, I read across, which is to there, I read down, which takes me to 60. So that's £60. Okay, the next one, change 450 zlotys into UK pounds. So 450 is up here, and we've already done this one actually, which takes us to 90. So so that's nice and straightforward. The next one, change £50 into Polish zloty. So I'm back across the bottom, so £50 is here. I read up and I read across. 250. Change the next one, change £200 into Polish zloty. Now, this is where I've hit a problem now. I don't have £200 across the bottom of my graph. However, I do have 100. So if I know what £100 is in Polish zloty, so if I read up and across, so I know that £100 is equal to 500 Polish zlotys. So if I wanted £200, I would just double it. So £200 is equal to 1,000 zlotys. This graph would just carry on going in exactly the same way. It's never going to change, so that's why I can use this. This trick only works with conversion graphs. Okay, it doesn't work with any other kind of graph really, but you can use this style. You could have gone to £20 and times it by 10. That would work, okay? But I thought going to 100, we knew that we'd need to double it. Okay, what about this one then? Change 800 zloty into UK pounds. So I'm going to use a similar skill that I did here. So if I look up my Polish zloty side of the graph, I can see it goes from 0 to 500. Now the easiest one I could probably do is 400. So if I know that 400 zlotys is equal to, if I read across and then down, is £80. If I double it, I'll know what 800 zloty is, which is £160. I hope that makes sense. Have a go, and if you're struggling, just let me know.